Today we're doing problem number 5 of integrals, and we are going to be integrating 1 minus 3y over the square root of 2y minus 3y squared dy. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to use sub. And in this case, 2y minus 3y squared without the square root is our u. U equals 2y minus 3y squared. So, taking the derivative, du is equal to, because this is to the power of 1, it gets eliminated and only the coefficient remains. And then, since this is to the power of 2, the power of 2 gets multiplied over here. 3 times 2 is 6. And then the power decreases to a 1. But you don't see a 1. So du equals 2 minus 6y. So now, dy, because we're taking the derivative of y. So now what we do is we solve for dy, and it's probably pretty obvious how you do that. The du over 2 minus 6y. As a shortcut, you can always just say that d times whatever variable you have is currently up there is equal to du over the derivative of your u. So, in this case, the derivative of our u is, of course, 2 minus 6y. So, we plug that back in. And this becomes the integral of 1 minus 3y over the square root of 2y minus 3y squared times du. Oh yeah, and sorry, but I forgot that 2y minus 3y squared is our u, so we just express it as u instead of the whole thing, times du over 2 minus 6y, the expression that we solved for earlier and we plugged in. So now you might notice that 2 minus 6y is simply 1 minus 3y multiplied by a factor of 2. So this is 1 minus 3y over the square root of u. If you wanted to, you could bring this up as u to the minus 1/2, which is what we will do in a second, times du over 2 times 1 minus 3y. Canceling these two out, we get the integral of 1 over 2 square root u du, which becomes the integral of 1/2 u to the minus 1/2 du. Now we use our reverse power rule where we add 1 to the exponent and then divide by that exponent. So 1/2 u to the 1/2 over 1/2 becomes what? Well, these 1/2 cancel out, just becomes u to the 1/2 or the square root of u, and plus c, and then we unsub, so our answer becomes the square root of 2y minus 3y squared plus c.